Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we have a special thing going on. It's coming to the end of lobster season, so we have traversed all the way to Whitrhouse, one of the predominant fishing areas and places where people buy and sell fish in Jamaica. And I found a place. This man named Mr. Bernard has a little spot embedded between luxury Airbnbs, villas, and a little cove that hosts some boats. And in that spot he has a tank with lobster, and he also has fish that he catches. We're about to head over now to Mr. Bernard and cook up some fish and lobster. Let's see what's going on. A short walk from one of the luxury villas and you'll find Mr. Bernard.s. Food that man. Not nice like that, predator. There's nothing like walking into a spot and seeing someone catching fresh sprat to be fried up. Choose my lobster. Which one now? This one right here. That one, you say?
Which one you want?
Second from the left.
Yeah.
The one on top of him. Can be him back.
Yeah.
Yes, him.
Which one now? This guy?
The one without the spines.
Oh.
The one without that one over here with no
This
No,
one.
that one right there. Him look
This
thick.
one right
Yeah,
here?
him look
Yes.
like nice and thick.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, I want to film you taking it.
No, it's alright, but keep going.
Out of the way. Come on.
That fresh. Yup.
Okay.
That's you.
That is what you call from seat to table.
Literally.
Can't get no fresher.
No.
That's the biggest one, right?
We
What?
also have the barbecue sauce, but the garlic one I made with butter and garlic and seasoning stuff.
Alright, no
Pretty
problem.
nice. We do a garlic one.
Definitely.
All right.
That sounds
Your
good,
garlic.
Mr. Bernard.
Yeah, that was my first thought as well. Garlic.
Grilled garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
You got it.
Yum. Okay.
I wanna catch them.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Yeah,
I wanna go deep sea fishing and catch them.
And you're right on that pen there.
Yeah, man. Yellow eye.
Yeah.
Nice. And bag them so them not get fierce or burn.
Yeah, man. That's all more time. Yeah.
So over there, that is the Whitrhouse. That's where the fish come in and people buy and sell fish. Over here is where we're staying.
But I want to catch a sea, you know?
Spear up to you, man. Yeah, man, look on the eye how it fresh, man. Look on that. Fresh fish.
Life. Celebrate life.
So you drop line and catch him? Our deep drop you use our electric reel?
Yeah. If you use electric reel, I'm using a hand reel. A hand reel.
So who win?
Why? Depends, you know. Sometimes he win, sometimes he win, you know.
So like I ain't win that time.
I'm saying lose still.
Alright, little vinegar. Yeah?
Yeah, I want to wash them off, huh?
Soon get to you, man. The lobster jump round.
Bernard.s,
no reach gym, man. You want so good, that's it. Yeah, I want Bernard.s again.
Eh?
I want West supposed to get.
Steam fish and the lobster. We're not going to deal with the lobster.
No rice, no.
No, we're on the rice. We're not on the rice.
What's the 40?
Yeah, man. Sabi, how long you have this place? Are you on cooking?
Actually, we started cooking about 1 hour. Just a little before that Corona thing came in. We started cooking. Before that, we weren't doing any cooking, more to drinking.
What are you drinking? But it look like mostly cooking and drinking now. We still can do some drinking.
Now, we combine them now. We're doing the drinking and the cooking now.
Alright, so mud and water.
Yes, boss.
You want pepper in there?
Of course, man. Definitely. You smell road?
What's up?
Not a flavor. You have some over there who are rude, you know.
You want to try one?
Nah, man, not give me no purple pepper.
Alright,
Spoil.
alright. Just want to try your work with you.
Yeah, man, work with it.
Alright.
Can't always add in there, you can't subtract.
Alright, no problem.
Always add the subtraction. Maths don't really work out well.
Life is something. And then
Let's do it, yeah, man. Humane way. Smell the pot already. Season.
This is a season of Bernard bread at McDonald's.
Yeah? What kind of season?
It's like a
Smell pimento, you know?
yeah, man. So now no salt or no
Theme house seasoning.
season we make.
Yeah, man. Season what him make
No salt, man.
Smells good though. Smells excellent. So you just tell me say man no put no salt in and a Maggi I put on my fish.
No, I never start nothing.
So what?
Oh, that's good, you know?
Right down in there.
Yeah. You want to go bank?
Still moving. That's all fresh. Nice. TT call you. No, but the phone not ready. The nerves are big up, man. Just fresh fish. That's all it is. Fresh food. You can't get better than that from yourself. And now that's it. That smells good now.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Go and
The
boil.
coconut milk and it, yeah. Fresh seasoning.
Go and boil up the coconut now.
Sterling, now come back a few more. Here in Whitrhouse at Bernard and Mr. Bernard just bring out this absolutely fresh lobster. I mean, it's literally from sea to tail. It was kicking when it was on the grill. You like to see that. And put his little sauce on it. So the lobster was absolutely fresh. You look at this meat right here. Look how white and perfectly cooked. Look at that. Pulls right out, the sign of a perfectly cooked lobster. That's exceptionally cooked. That's one of the best cooked lobster you can find. It's very tender. It doesn't get that bouncy, tough, rubbery flake. That's how well it's cooked. Just light on the grill, straight out of the water to the grill, and a light cook on it. Look at that. And then the garlic seasoning is just superb. It's light, it's modest enough to have bold flavors, but complements the fish extremely well. Not the fish, the lobster. Wow. Rotted. This flavor profile is ridiculous. With this, and then the fish. Tasting the freshness. There's a hint of his personal house seasoning that's been sprinkled on it. Like a taste, a light taste of pimento, not overpowering with the berry flavor where it's burning or anything. And the garlic, man. I love garlic. Grated it right down so you're getting that little pops of crunch with the garlic because it's not cooked out too much where the butter burnt it or anything, and then just pat it on it. Phenomenal. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. So the lobster was divine. Stepping into the steamed fish now.
They don't anymore the lobster, it's delicious.
That's you, auntie.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, the lobster is divine.
The lobster is divine. The
Divine.
fish is nicely cooked as well. Lightly seasoned.
Okay.
You get a piece of the red pepper?
Yes, sir. I'm hot pepper, but not the pepper not hot.
Yeah, the pepper not hot. Not like the ones brown and phone. I never have any. I couldn't find. I asked for it. Boy, the fish nice, but the lobster make it.
Oh, the lobster.
The lobster put it hard, man.
Make it taste like nothing.
The lobster make it hard. Guys, this has been an awesome experience. Big up Bernard. Come check out his place. Nice, quaint. If you want to grab a bite, lobster, fish, and there's drinks as well. This is Santosha. Villa is amazing. The staff is absolutely 1000% incredible. Great hospitality, great vibes, good action. All I want to stay safe. Big up.